Hello friends, let's continue with construction and that too exercise 11.1. Earlier we have drawn constructions given in question number 1 and 2. Question number 3 and 4 were given to you to do them. I am coming to question number 5. Draw triangle ABC with side BC 6 cm, AB 5 cm and triangle ABC 60 degree. So here we are first constructing triangle ABC of given measure. So let's begin. BC is 6 cm. So I am taking 6 cm. BC 6 cm. Okay. Now angle A will come here. ABC is 60. And last year you have constructed how to construct angle of 60 degree. So any radius, I am placing it at B. Any radius. With same radius from here, I will make one arc. Wherever this intersects, that is angle ABC of 60 degree. So I am joining this two and I am drawing little bit bigger. So here we have angle 60 constructed. Now it is said that AB must be 5 cm. So let's measure AB. AB 5 cm, you can see here it is 5. So this length I am going to take it from B to locate A. From B to mark A. You cannot measure, it has to be with rounder and pencil. So this is 5 cm and where I have marked A. Now you see I can join. So a triangle gets constructed. Yes, this is triangle ABC. Now we want to construct triangle with scale factor 3/4. So from B, as we have been doing, from B I am drawing one arc BX, one ray BX, not arc. So one ray BX I have drawn. 4 equal parts because 3/4. So with rounder we are marking 4 arcs here, B1, B2, B3, B4. So this is B1, B2, B3 and B4. Let's label B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now I join B4 with C because the triangle to be constructed is going to be smaller than the given triangle. So this is B4C. Now it is 3/4. So at 3, B3, I will construct an angle congruent to this particular angle. So the same process from B4, I am constructing an arc. Similar arc I will construct here. Now I measure this. This I have measured from this point, I will draw this. So join these two. So we will get point C dash. This is C dash. Now at C dash we want to construct another angle which is congruent to this particular angle, angle ACB. So it is congruent to angle ACB. So same thing, I am taking any radius. If it is too small, cannot, you can even take bigger one, nothing wrong. See, in this case I draw bigger one. You can. With same radius I have to draw at C dash. So I have drawn. Now I measure this part. And here I will mark the point. So now C dash I am joining with this point in order to get A dash. This is our A dash. So A dash, B, C dash is required triangle according to given scale factor. This is how we construct this particular triangle with scale factor 3/4. So that is how you will continue with and you will complete the exercise. Only one sum, only two sums are left. The two sums you will be doing it. Next we will see about how tangent is constructed, and we will be talking about construction 11.3, that is to construct the tangents to a circle from point outside it. So do practice drawing this diagram. Also write down the steps of the construction and better see that you are writing in order. Okay, that's all.